What's up, guys? Welcome to this new tutorial video. Today we are going to be talking about something I earlier mentioned. It is called attributes. Attributes is anything you actually put in a tag as something like, I don't know, style or something, and then you put some things inside it. So that is an attribute, and each tag has particular attribute which it actually loves to have. So I'm going to touch a few attributes before we go to the main ones. So yeah. So you see, we had even been talking about attributes already. Like this one, this is an attribute. href, this is another attribute. Source, these are main attributes. But also they are nice attributes we're going to be playing about. Like, let's take a look at the width attribute. The width attribute actually gives a width to an image tag and some other tags and some other tags, but the main place where it's being used are image tags, for example. So let's give a width attribute of, let's say, 100 pixels. And let's go back to a browser. You see it's this way right now. If I refresh, and voila, you see the image is much more smaller. mm, and that's because of the width attribute. So I could put it like 1000 pixels and control it the way I want. Afterward, I'm the master of my page, so you see 1000 pixels, but it's of course blur because the image is supposed to be small. Great. So we have the width attribute, we have the height attribute. The height attribute, we could give it, let's make uh some improper measurement. We're gonna have a thin and long image. Yeah. So you can actually choice the way you want and play around with it. The width attribute, the height attribute. We have what they call alternative message. So this alt alt attribute actually helps the blind to actually be able to read an image with the screen readers if they cannot see. And also it helps the search engines to actually read what an image is about. So you could always describe what an image is about. Like, you see this, these are birds doing something. I don't know because the image is blurred, so I'll write birds doing something I don't know. So this is the alt attribute, and probably you will not notice it unless the image does not load for some reasons. Like, let's make the image not to load. You see, when the image does not load, it will not just throw it blank, but it will put the content to tell the user that this is what is supposed to be here. You see, and in this case, if you have low connection in low internet bandwidth, and for some reasons your images don't load, you can probably refer to this one. Yeah. So that's right, that's nice. Let's move to the next attribute. Let's put back our image load. We have the title attribute. This title attribute is very important in case you want to explain about something. So you for this one, we are going to explain about this image. This image is about some birds. They are probably very cute. So you see this, voila. And when I stand on it, I mean when I put my cursor on the image, you can see it. This, you see, voila. This image is about some birds. They are probably very cute. So an image and a title tag could go anywhere. It could go on almost all the tags. as far as you want to explain to somebody what it is, it probably goes everywhere. It probably lies on everything. You see, voila. So that was that for the title tag. Let's move to some important tag, the style tag. Sometimes you define something and you don't want it to just be black and white on the page, so you use what they call a style tag. Later on in the next video tutorials, we may be talking about CSS, which actually is there to make the page look good. But for now, we are going to concentrate on what we are doing. So we have this. The style tag actually helps you to define the way you want something to look like. For now, this will look white and black or black and white. But if I want to give it another color, there is something called color. And there are many color codes, but I just prefer to sometimes give something that somebody can understand. So I'll give it a red color, and this one I can give it a style, and I give it a blue color. Okay. And if we move there, we should see something like, whoa, nice. You see, so this now looks blue, this now looks red. And the style tag could be used to do many more things. Like I could change the background. I'm gonna give it black. Probably it's not the best choice, but it's just to show. It's just to show how you could turn around it. Black. Oh, it's horrible. So I'm probably going to. So there are many other things that the style tag could carry, and you probably want to discover yourself by searching, Google searching. That's a kind of exercise. At least it would help you to move forward. But there are many other things like font family. We could try the Vedana. Whoa! You see, so there are many things we could try. The font size. Font size. What about 100? It's going to be horrible. It's going to be very horrible. Oh, okay. What did I do wrong? Oh, I guess. Oh my god. I mean, this exists on no website, but it looks good. I like it. It looks good. Tell me if you like this. Just comment and tell me if you like this font size, and I'll probably build a website for you with only your name written like that. I promise, and send the files to you. So you could text a line. We're probably going to remove this horrible font size. So you could text a line. Oh, what was I saying? Okay, yeah. Text a line. We should put it to center. You're going to discover what it does. Don't worry. You see, it's now like a kind of paragraph, and that's fine. So there are many things you could do with this, and sometimes I don't know. Let me try this so that you could see. I usually love Justify. and you see it tries to fill in the endings, like just you're justifying on Microsoft Word. So you can write to a web page just the way you are writing on a Microsoft Word document or page. So I guess we are going to end here. There are many more ways and tags and scripts and things that we could cover. But as an exercise, you could research more tags and play around with them and enjoy. So subscribe for us to move forward. If you have any question, ask. Don't forget to subscribe. That's a sign. That's a sign of appreciation. I will appreciate if you do. Thank you very much and bye.